What would you say if I tell you that taking vitamin C can treat you of hypertension, cancer, asthma, and also stop aging? That's what Linus Pauling claimed about this almost magical substance called vitamin C. Linus Pauling was an American chemist, peace activist, and educator. He is considered as one of the most influential chemists in history and ranks among the most important scientists of the 20th century. For his scientific work, Pauling was awarded a Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1954. In 1962, for his peace activism, he was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize. This makes him the only person to be awarded two unshared Nobel Prizes. He is one of the only four individuals to have won more than one Nobel Prize. Pauling is also one of the only two people to be awarded Nobel Prizes in different fields, the other being Marie Curie. As you can see, this seems quite a good background for a scientist. However, his promotion of orthomolecular medicine, vitamin therapy, dietary supplements, and vitamin C has been criticized. Almost all researchers in health area affirm that what Pauling said about vitamin C is bullshit. But how Pauling became such a vitamin C fan? In 1941, at the age of 40, Pauling was diagnosed with Bright's disease, a renal disease. Following the recommendation of Thomas Addis, Pauling was able to control the disease with Addis' then unusual low-protein, salt-free diet and vitamin supplements. In 1951, Pauling gave a lecture entitled Molecular Medicine. In the late 50s, Pauling worked on the role of enzymes in brain function, believing that mental illness may be partially caused by enzyme dysfunction. A breakthrough came in 1958 when Pauling published a brief paper in Science magazine entitled Orthomolecular Psychiatry that gave name and principle to the popular but controversial vitamin therapy movement of the 70s. Pauling coined the term orthomolecular to refer to the practice of changing the concentration of substances normally present in the body to prevent and treat disease. His ideas form the basis of orthomolecular medicine, which is not generally practiced by conventional medical professionals, and has been strongly criticized. His promotion of dietary supplements has also been criticized. In a 2013 article in The Atlantic, a pediatrician, Paul Offit, wrote that although Pauling was so spectacularly right that he won 2 Nobel Prizes, Pauling's late career assertions about the benefits of dietary supplements were so spectacularly wrong that he was arguably the world's greatest quack. Pauling made vitamin C popular with the public and eventually published 2 studies of a group of 100 supposedly terminal patients that claimed vitamin C increased survival by as much as 4 times compared to untreated patients. A reevaluation of the claims of 1982 found that the patient groups were not actually comparable, with the vitamin C group being less sick on entry to the study, and judged to be terminal much earlier than the contrast group. Later clinical trials conducted by the Mayo Clinic also concluded that a high dose, 10,000 milligrams vitamin C, was not better than placebo at treating cancer and there was no benefit to high-dose vitamin C. The fact is that vitamin C fever over when Pauling died in 1994. Since then, the opinions against his ideas have been growing, and nowadays almost no one knows this story. So, what do you think about it? Would you be capable of ingesting more than 3 grams of vitamin C? My answer to this question is yes. Why not?